Hey, what's up guys, this is Guy here with Do It With Guy. Today I'm going to talk about the Galaxy Unpacked 2022 that just happened this Wednesday, February 9th, 2022, in which Samsung announced three new phones: the Galaxy S22, the Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we knew about these phones way before they come out. So Samsung doesn't make the Samsung Galaxy Note anymore, and that was also very clear with the video that was released a couple days ago, where we can see the two lines of phone merging together into a single phone, which means that we don't have Galaxy Notes, we only have the Galaxy S series. We have a Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is literally a Galaxy Note. So I'm going to go with you over some important details from this event and tell you what I ordered today when I could. I say when I could because at some point, I don't know if you heard about it, but at some point the Samsung website was having a lot of issues right after the event. So I'm going to talk about it and tell you what I did to get my order in. I'll also be happy to share with you my experience when the device will be delivered. The event was streamed online. As you know, these days companies don't gather people in big venues anymore because of COVID, so it was streamed online with pre-recorded videos, I think. And the event was well done by Samsung with beautiful gags or plays, primarily the one in ancient England where the guy was announcing the phone to the Queen and promised that the phone be available in 200 years. That one was a good one. So they had beautiful animations which will make you like the product they're doing. So Samsung announced what they called ultimate phones with big advancements when it comes to cameras, display, processors, and even the build of the phone. It's made with hard aluminum with Gorilla Glass on the back and the front. They also brought a new kind of technology in the dissipation of the heat inside the phone. So apparently your phone would not be heating up that much anymore. I don't know if that was an issue for anybody, but it wasn't for me. All the three phones have a powerful processor with a huge neural processing capacity, which facilitates machine learning and AI on the phone for video and photo processing and so on. And talking about photos and videos, they have a lot of good features that they put forward, like the nightography that can allow you to take beautiful pictures and photos when you are in low light. You have OIS or optical image stabilization that's built in. We also have the VDIS or video digital image stabilization to shoot stable videos with your Galaxy S22. All the phones take 8K videos with a lot of clarity and details. Alright, talking about the Galaxy S22, this one starts at $799, which is $800 in the US without taxes, and the S22 Plus starts at $999 and the S22 Ultra starts at $1999. The S22 comes in four colors. You have a choice between the Phantom Black, which I like. You also have the Phantom White, the green. I don't know who likes green, but yeah, some people do. And you also have the pink gold. They also have some exclusive colors, Samsung.com exclusive colors. I don't know if this will stick around for a while, but you can choose between the graphite, the cream, the violet, and the sky blue. The S22 comes with three cameras in the back. We have the primary camera, which is a 50 megapixel camera, wide angle. Right on top of it, we have the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. And below we have the 10 megapixel for telephoto. This one can zoom up to 3 times. Note that the S22 Ultra has a fourth camera for the 10 times zoom. The display is dynamic AMOLED, which is a beautiful screen. The S22 comes with a 6.1-inch display. The S22 Plus has a 6.6-inch and the S22 Ultra has a 6.8-inch display. The S22 and the S22 Plus come with 8 GB of RAM, and for storage you have a choice between a 128 GB version and a 256 GB. The S22 Plus brings everything the S22 has, just with a bigger display, and when it comes to colors and so on, it's pretty much the same choices that you have. So now let's spend a little more time on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is my favorite phone. I have to say that when I heard about the Galaxy Notes not being produced anymore, I was a little worried because I like Galaxy phones a lot. I've always had Galaxy phones. I've never bought the S series. So I'm glad that the Note is still there. The Note is still alive with the S Pen, which is a beautiful thing. I like to use the S Pen and I use it all the time for taking notes or, you know, editing photos, videos, all kind of things. The S22 Plus Ultra Ultra comes in 4 different colors. You can choose between the burgundy, which is more like pink. We have the green, the phantom white, and the phantom black. And for cameras, we have the selfie camera in the front, which is a 40 megapixel camera, so it's gonna take some beautiful selfies here. And in the back we have 4 cameras. The primary one is the 108 megapixel camera wide angle, which is right there. And then we have on top of it, we have the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 telephoto cameras. The first one with 10 megapixel that can do 3x optical zoom, and the second one again with 10 megapixel. This one can do optical zoom up to 10 times. So you can take some beautiful telephotos with this phone without any problem. And the phone comes with some pro features for video, so you'll be able to set your ISO, your speed, focus, and so on manually, even white balance as well. So this is a beautiful thing for pro video producers like myself, and I can't wait to use this for my video production work. One other good thing about the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the display has 1750 nits. That is a bright display, so it's going to be very bright that you can read even outside under the sun and so on. They even have a feature that they called Vision Booster. That feature will allow you just to adjust the clarity and the brightness of your image when you are outside and in all kind of environment. So for capacity, you have a choice between 128 GB of storage with 8 GB of RAM, or you can upgrade to a 256 GB or 512 GB. You can even go all the way to 1 TB. These 3 options here come with a 12 GB RAM for this phone. That's the huge memory for a phone, which is a very good thing, so you can have a lot of applications open at the same time. All right, those were the details about the phone that were announced today. I'm so happy about this lineup, primarily the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is the phone that I really liked. And I went online to order one for myself, but crazy thing, I couldn't do it for hours. Right after the event, the website was overwhelmed. For some reasons, you couldn't put the item in a cart. You were actually able to access the website to make your different choices and pick your options, but when you go to check out the item, the cart was just empty, and it went like that for hours. I even read online people advising to go and order from some third party like Best Buy and so on, but I didn't do it. I waited, and after multiple attempts, late in the night, I was able to place my order for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I picked the Phantom Black version with 1 TB of storage. So it's going to be delivered by February 25th, and I'll be happy to share that experience with you. And I think the reason behind the website not working is just that people were online trying to order these new phones. And if you remember, the last Note on the market was the Galaxy Note 20, which was announced in 2020. So it's been 2 years since we didn't have any new Galaxy Note-like phone in the market. So a lot of people were impatient waiting for it. That's why maybe the website was down. All right, guys, that's all I have to say about that event. I'm just waiting for my phone to be delivered. I'm happy with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I can't wait to see what it can do for videos and all kind of things. I might be biased because I've been a Samsung guy all this time. I'm into the Android world, and Samsung is my go-to phone. I have an iPhone, which is my second business phone. I use it a lot, but Samsung is my go-to. So it's always good for us consumers to have this kind of competition in the market where everybody's coming with some high-end good phones that we can buy and use. It keeps everything running really fast. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the channel for more tech like this and more DIY coming from me. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter so you don't miss any behind the scene or any beautiful projects that I'm sharing on those platforms. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye.